Now, you will be listening to a Huron und nummerieren Sie die Fotos. Nummerieren Sie die Fotos means you have the photos here. So, हर photo के सामने you can see it's written A, B, C, D and उसके पास एक blank बना हुआ है. So, in that blank you have to write that out of all the activities, which activity he is doing at number 1, then number 2, then number 3, and which one is the last activity that has been done by Khan. Yeah. So, you have to do it like that. कि अगर आपने ऊपर वाले ब्लैंक्स में नीचे वाला आंसर लिख दिया है तो नो डाउट कोई इशू नहीं है. यू कैन आल्सो राइट ओवर द पिक्चर व्हिच पिक्चर इज नंबर 1. या सो आई सॉ सना डिलीटिंग मतलब erasing something, so I might have guessed that she might wrote I did the same thing. I wrote the नीचे वाला answer in the above section, so I had to then I mentioned in the pictures. So yeah, Okay. So here, so I'll play the Huron. You have to see out of all the 7 activities, which activity has been done by Khan in the first option, in the first place, then second, third, fourth, सबसे पहला activity क्या, and then what about the rest. So you have to number the pictures accordingly कि कब वो क्या करता है. So let's play the audio. This is Zex und Zexish bis Zexish. So in the audios you might hear the conversation, you might hear the sound, depends कि कैसा क्या भी हो सकता है नहा रहा है तो you might hear the sound of the shower. So depends कि कैसा audio है. Let's see what kind of audio do we have here. That is Zexish. Zexish. Here is the Zexish. Yeah. So bitte, ich spiele das jetzt. Bitte konzentrieren Sie sich gut.
Eins. Zwei. Drei. Vier.
Oh nein, Entschuldigung.
Ach, macht nichts. Kann ja passieren. Ups.
Ups.
Fünf. Woher kommen Sie, Frau Lang?
Ich komme aus Deutschland.
Welche Sprachen sprechen Sie?
Ein Moment. Was ist los? Das war 5.
5.
Das war 6.
6.
Der Kuchen ist echt lecker, Oma.
Danke. Jetzt erzähl mal, wie geht es dir, Khan?
And the last.
7.
Oh, hallo. Machst du auch eine Kaffeepause?
Na, das ist ja ein Zufall. Wie geht's dir? Übrigens, ich bin Khan. Setz dich doch.
Okay. Ich heiße Marie. Bist du oft hier?
Nein. Und du?
Okay, das war interessant. Yeah. So, were you able to figure out the pictures with the audio? Let's see. Ashwin, Nummer 1, welches Foto? Nummer 1 was ganz klar.
Kandust.
Kandush, that is picture number A. Okay. Then number 2, Revati. Welches Foto? Mhm. Anybody else? Number 5. A. A. Where is A? A, picture number A is eyes, Dushan. Okay, then what he is doing in the second number after Dushan was marked here. Which photo? Anybody?
Can you repeat that sound? The sound again?
Shall I repeat the sound again?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so let's see. That was number 5 here.
2.
Was denken Sie jetzt? So logically,
It's
socho after
7.
yeah,
7
picture.
maybe. Yes. No,
Revati, I'm
not the
not getting.
picture. I mean, he's making breakfast.
Okay, so you are saying sentence number 7.
Yeah, sentence number 7.
Okay. Yeah, so it's true. After Dushan, he is having breakfast, and you can see there are 2 sounds coming. One was the sound of the cutlery. You can see the spoons were crackling. The second sound, which was the sound of the notification, ting ting jo ho raha tha. So it is picture number say. Okay, then number 3. Where's his photo? What he is doing after picture number say? Samriti, did you? Right? After Frühstücken was marked Khan.
Number F image. I can't
F,
get in the
yeah.
Mensa.
Richtig, Khan, that is number F. Sehr gut. Okay. Picture number F. He is traveling because the sound that was coming in the audio was the honking sound and the road sound. So he is going somewhere. So yeah, richtig. Okay, then number fear. Anybody, Ashwin?
Okay.
Number fear was?
Okay. Computer operation.
Okay, let me check. That is number fear is 63.
4.
Yeah, richtig. Das ist am Computer arbeiten, so it might be, it is picture number G, richtig. Okay, that means maybe land in their bibliothek, yeah, richtig. Okay, then Nummer 5, welche Aktivität, welches Bild hier? Nummer 5, Sana, Samriddhi, anybody?
B.
Just B. Okay, let's see.
5.
Yeah, so you can see there's a cutlery sound as well, and then apart from that, you have a like big noise coming up. So it might be somewhat like a canteen thing wherein people are having, and also the spoon and cutlery are crackling. So it has to be bay, richtig. Okay, then number 6, Sana. What did you do after eating in the men's after having food?
Picture number R.
Okay. trifft Oma. Oder besucht Oma. Richtig. Besucht Oma. And the last one, anybody? Picture?
Picture number D.
Picture Nummer D. Richtig. Sehr gut. Okay, so trifft Marie. Okay, super. Now, you have another Huron, that is Huron 67. You have some activities here given. So I'm giving you 2 minutes to read all the activities that you can see here. If you're not able to understand the activity, try to guess. Still doesn't work, ask me. Once you're done with the reading, then I'll play the Huron, and then you have to find out this. Was macht Kahn am Sonntag? That means what does Kahn do on, or what does he do on Sunday? वो क्या करता है Sunday में? Out of which all the activities, what does he do? So you have to just put a tick mark करना है आपको. So before you listen to the audio and before you figure out what does Kahn does, you have to figure out that what is the meaning of these activities given here. So read it and let me know which one that you don't know. Ein Moment, ich komme.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Sana.
What is the meaning of lange schlafen?
Lange schlafen means to sleep for a longer period of time. Normally, in the weekdays, we have to wake up at a correct point of time because we need to go to school or university or work. But then the weekends, we can sleep a bit late, till a little late, right? So lange schlafen means to sleep a little late, till a long. Normally, अगर आप 8 बजे उठते हैं, तो that means waking up at 9 o'clock. That is lange schlafen. Schlafen is a verb that means to sleep.
I have done.
Okay,
Gemacht.
gemacht. Okay, Samriddhi, read all the activities that you have here.
Zeitung lesson. Find
Zeitung,
it,
not Zeitung. Zeitung
Zeit-
lesson, lesen.
Zeitung lesson. Freunde
Yeah,
treffen.
it's like, okay, the pronunciation for reading is lesen. 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 Yeah.
Zeitung lesson.
Yeah, Zeitung lesen.
Freunde treffen.
Mm-hmm.
Lernen.
Uh-huh.
Mit der Familie zu Mittag essen.
Mit der Familie zum Mittagessen.
Mit der Familie zu Mittag essen.
Uh-huh.
In den Supermarkt gehen.
Uh-huh.
Oma
Okay.
besuchen.
Uh-huh. Oma
Ins,
besuchen.
ins Kino gehen.
Mhm.
Lange schlafen.
Mm-hmm.
Pizza essen.
Pizza, yeah, pizza essen. Okay.
Am Computer arbeiten.
Am Computer arbeiten. Mm-hmm.
Mary treffen.
Marie treffen. Okay, Marie treffen. Okay.
Fußball spielen.
Richtig. Fußball spielen. So let's see, out of all the activities, was macht Kahn am Sonntag? Yeah, bitte.
Hallo?
Hey Kahn, hier ist Tobi. Sag mal, was machst du am Sonntag? Treffen wir uns? Hast du Zeit?
Also, warte mal. Am Sonntag, da will ich erst mal lange schlafen.
Okay, dann vielleicht so um 12?
Nee, am Sonntagmittag esse ich immer mit meiner Familie. Und dann spiele ich mit ein paar Freunden im Park Fußball.
Und am Nachmittag?
Um 3 treffe ich Felix und Sarah im Café Centro.
Gut. Dann vielleicht um 4?
Also da gehe ich mit Marie spazieren. Und danach gehen wir noch ins Kino. Hoffentlich.
Aha. Ja, schade. Dann vielleicht nächstes Wochenende.
Ja, tut mir leid. Wir telefonieren, ja?
Okay. Also bis dann.
Yeah. So he tried to figure out a time where they could meet, but doesn't work. He is too busy with all the things already planned up. Yeah. So was Jenkins see? Was macht Khan am Sonntag? One activity, Sana?
Zeitung lesen, mit der Familie zu Mittag essen, lange schlafen, Fußball spielen, ins Kino gehen.
Okay. Okay, wartet. Okay. Ashwin, what else do you think? Mit der Familie so Mittagessen, lange schlafen, Fußball spielen. Zeitung lesen? Did anybody else write Zeitung lesen as well?
I didn't hear that.
Did you also, Ashwin? Zeitung lesen?
No, I didn't hear that.
I didn't hear as well. Samriddhi, you too. Did you write Zeitung lesen?
No, I didn't hear that.
Okay, then what else was the answer? Ashwin, you say one apart from the ones that already been said by Sana.
Marie Treffen.
Maria Treffen. Okay, then Samriddhi, you say one.
Lange schlafen.
Lange schlafen. Okay, and Revati.
I did have a Zeitung lesson in the like in the start.
Moment. Then if I heard wrong because in my answer there is no Zeitung lesen. Wait, I'll check again.
Hallo?
Hey Khan, hier ist Tobi. Sag mal, was machst du am Sonntag? Treffen wir uns? Hast du Zeit?
Also, warte mal. Am Sonntag, da will ich erst mal lange schlafen.
Okay. Dann vielleicht so um 12?
Nee, am Sonntagmittag esse ich immer mit meiner Familie. Und dann spiele ich mit ein paar Freunden im Park Fußball.
Und am Nachmittag?
Zeitung lesen was nicht dort. Es ist lange schlafen. Dann am Mittag esse ich mit meiner Familie so Mittagessen. Dann spiele ich Fußball. So ja. The answers are mit der Familie so Mittagessen, lange schlafen, Fußball spielen, Freunde treffen, ins Kino gehen und Marie treffen. Diese 6 are the Antwort here. Okay. Super. Done. Okay. So, another homework, please write down, which is a writing homework. Because I need to finish the class today at, I need to complete the thing which I left. There is somebody at my place. I need to let it be at their place. That's why I have to leave. Okay, so I just give the homework.